Hello children, welcome you all to your new class. Today we are going to start our first chapter of computer science, that is computer history and generations. The computer which you see today was not like that before. It took many years to become the present era computer. Before discussing the history of computer, children, you should know what was the need to invent the computer. In the ancient time, people used to count with stones, pebbles, etc. But those methods were not appropriate for huge and complex calculations. Let us discuss few early calculating devices. The first calculating device was abacus. It was invented by Chinese about 5000 years ago. But it could do only additions and subtractions. Even now, many children among you are learning the method of using abacus. After that, next device we will discuss is Napier bones, developed by a Scottish mathematician John Napier in 1617. It was a set of rectangular rods and few numbers were printed on them. Earlier it was able to do only addition, subtraction and product. Afterwards, it was improved and able to do division and to find square root also. Next is Pascaline. It was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642. It consists gears, something like you have seen in your bicycle. Those gears move and perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Furthermore, in 1692, a new device came, step reckoner, developed by Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. It was also able to do all the four operations of mathematics easily. The next is difference engine, developed by Charles Babbage in 1822. It could do all the mathematical operations automatically. After that, he thought something different and stopped working on difference engine and designed analytical engine in 1833. With the features of input, process, control, output and storage. These 5 features are similar with our modern computers. You know Charles Babbage as a father of computer. This is the only reason that he is regarded as father of computer, because he gave the basic idea behind IPO cycle. The next device is tabulating machine, developed by Herman Holliker in 1890. It was used to count the population of USA. It gave accurate and quick result. After the success of tabulating machine, Herman Holliker formed a company. That company was later on become the famous computer manufacturers IBM, International Business Machine. Now move on to Mark I. Mark I was the first electromechanical computer developed by Professor Howard Aiken in 1944. It was 5 tons heavy and 51 feet long. It used typewriter to take input and punch cards to give output. Okay, now next we will talk about first commercially electronic computer. John Mauchly and John Percival together made the first electronic computer, that was ENIAC, Electronic Numeric Integrator and Computer, in 1946. It was such a big machine. It was 10 feet wide, 100 feet long and its area was 1800 square feet. But it could do 5000 additions per second. Now come to UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer, which was again developed by John Mauchly and John Percival. It was able to work with numeric as well as text also. It was the first commercial computer given to US Census Bureau in 1951. Now come to the today's computer. In 1984, IBM launched first personal computer, and after that they introduced advanced version of PC, that was PC-80 advanced technology. These computers were small in size, faster in speed, and gave high accuracy and reliability. All the gadgets you are using nowadays, like desktop, tablets, laptops, are the examples of PC, personal computer. Okay, that's all, children. We will meet in next session. Till then, read carefully and be safe, be at home. Goodbye.